That's right, my influence. It's wheelie time. Our three expert judges, offering 30 points apiece, are looking for three things. They're looking for how vertical the truck can get. They're looking for height, and they want to see how far the truck can be carried on two wheels. If each driver reaches all three of those criteria, we call it walking the dog.
Hot Wheels fans, starting us off is the original stop, AJ Stratman, Bigfoot!
And the score is 23, which means Bigfoot is your current leader!
Hot Wheels fans, let's see your shark tooth chomp. It's Bobby Holden, Tiger Shark!
Bigfoot got a 23. Jackson, the score for Tiger Shark is 28! 28! Your new leader is Tiger Shark!
We want to say thank you to PPG Jump for providing the crush cars for this Hot Wheels Monster Trucks live event. Hot Wheels fans, let's see your dino claws and get ready to see a dino bite. It's definitely Mega-Rex!
We saw Tiger Shark lay down a score of 28. The score for Mega-Rex is a 24, which means Tiger Shark is still your leader!
He's ready for a skull smackdown. It's Kyle Sizemore, Bone Shifter!
the score for Bone Shaker. And my friend Levi is going to tell us the score. The score for Bone Shaker is 24, which means your leader is still Tiger Shark.
He's ready for a fireball stomp. It's Cody Owen, Wheelies 5-1.
Of Tiger Shark of a 28. I've got the judges in my ear right now, and they're telling me the score for Hot Wheels 5 Alarm is a 28, which means we have a tie between Hot Wheels 5 Alarm and Tiger Shark.
Up next is the ruthless Joker, Mike Mentor, Gangster.
The score for Gangster? Oh, that's not what I said. What's the score for Gangster? 25. Your leaders are still Fireball and Tiger Shark.
Hot Wheels fans, let's see some fossil fury from our brand new truck. It's Taylor Holman, Scala Solar.